to combine the groups in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can combine the groups in WhatsApp. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So you should start by opening your WhatsApp application. Make sure that you have installed and updated the latest version so that you won't miss out any new features. If you have already done so, then you need to open your WhatsApp application, and on the down bar you will see there are many options like chat, updates, community and calls. Go and tap on the community option, and now what you need to do is tap on the new community option. Now it says you to get started option. Just tap on the get started option, and now you can simply name your community and then add the existing groups on your new community, and then you are just done. You can also add the groups which are right here by just tapping and selecting them. Tap on the view all option and you can just tap them as well. So that's how you can add the new groups and on your many groups on a community and make a WhatsApp community. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.